going to die. I don't know how to kill you. I can't kill him. So I got run over. Let's see. Okay, come on. I want the helicopter. Come on. I want the helicopter. I want the helicopter. Come on. Okay. Oh, great. This is exactly what I needed. Oh, great. Yes! No! Come on! Who's the helicopter? I want the helicopter. Mine! No! You will die. Now I have to wait all day again. No, I will fight. Oh! I hate this. When I get in the helicopter, I die. What are you doing, Kyle? I die right when I get in the helicopter. I got in it like 3-5 times, and I died. Let's see, it's over here. Just don't. Kill me! Come on! I hate you. Let's see, demolition. He's going down. Come on, go! I want you to die. Where am I? Okay. Right over here. Thank you, Lord. Now, you will die. Oh, yay! I'm the last man standing. I did not need that. He's not dead?